I am going to be reviewing, explaining the details, and a loading video plus a shooting test, all in the pistol crossbow. Let's look at the details. Here is the sight. Here is the other sight. Safety on, safety off, safety on. This is the trigger. If you want to see how to load it, follow me. Now, you see this thing right here. You grab a hold of this. You see this button right here. You press it, and it lets it go. And you pull it. You pull it back. 2 weeks. Keep it going. You pull it. There, and then you keep it going. You get your very nice arrow. Slide it in. Safety off, and you're ready. Nature, it's very nice. But I'm not here to hunt any animal. I'm here for a water bottle. Let's go on the hunt. Now, nature is very nice. Trees. But whenever you have recycled objects in the woods, it's very bad for the environment. Come, let's roll. See this? It's a water bottle. Come on, he's close. Come on, too close to civilization. Hunt, day 2. I don't know if I'll ever be able to find the water bottle. Come on! What is that in the distance? It's blue. Water bottle's killed. Come on. There's the water bottle. It's right there. Wow, he's dead.
Now, I am on a hunt for trash. Well, there's something now. Safety off.
Oh,
well, I hit it. Let's see the damage. We have a complete pass-through on both sides. Keep the trash out of the woods.